Hello and welcome to the video. Today what we're going to do right now is we are going to correct the worksheet numbers 1 through 4. So you were assigned numbers 1 through 4, graphing to solve this system of equations. So the system of equations means that we're going to have two or more equations and we're going to find out where they have a point or a solution in common. So this first one, I'm going to do in blue. So when we graph this, this is in slope-intercept form. So our y-intercept is at -4. So the y-intercept is -4. And our slope is 3. Remember, we put a 1 underneath it. So we're going to go up 3, 1, 2, 3, and we're going to go right 1 because they're positive. 1, 2, 3, right 1. 1, 2, 3, right 1. And then I'm going to connect my dots to get my line. Notice I make my line as long as the graph will allow me to do. And now the second equation. So the second equation, the y-intercept is going to be this +2. And now this slope is a -3/1. So in the blue equation, I went up 3, right 1. In the green equation, I'm going to go down 3, right 1. And look at that. It's right on top of another dot. So that's all I'm going to do. As soon as my two lines meet, which they do at this ordered pair, I'm going to be done, except for I need to write this ordered pair. And this ordered pair where they are meeting, the solution to these two graphs meeting is going to be 1, -1. So the solution is 1, -1. All right, number 2. This one's also in slope-intercept form. So I can graph this y-intercept, and this first equation is a +3. So on my y-axis, put a dot at 3, and this slope is 4/3, and they're both positive. So I'm going to go up 1, 2, I go off my graph, 1, 2, 3. So that's not really accurate. So I'm going to want to go down 1, 2, 3, 4, and over 1, 2, 3. All right, and then I can draw this in, and it's more accurate because I put that extra point in there. All right, now my second line, my y-intercept is a -3, and this slope is a -2/3. So I can certainly go down 2 and over 3, but that's going to give me a point over here. I need to go towards my blue line. So if I want to go down and right, the opposite of that is up and left. Okay, that's why we always need to be able to go both directions. So up 2 and left 1, 2, 3. Oh, and it goes right on top of that. So we get this ordered pair is my solution here, and the green and blue lines are meeting at the ordered pair -3, -1. So the solution to number 2 is -3, -1. All right, number 3. Again, it is in slope-intercept form. So my y-intercept is -2. And my slope is 5/4. So I'm going to go up 5, right 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, we'll see if those are enough points to find out where these two lines are going to intersect. So in the second one, my y-intercept is a -1. And now this is going to be up 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. So what are we noticing about these green and blue lines? They have different y-intercepts because I circled two different numbers. But look here, what about their slopes? Their slopes are the same. And what did we learn before? If slopes are the same, then the lines are going to be parallel. And if they're parallel, are they ever going to intersect? So this one's going to have no solutions. They are never going to intersect because they're parallel lines. So they will have no points in common, no solutions. All right, number 4, the first one, we have a y-intercept of a positive 2. So go to that y-axis and put a dot at 2. And now my slope is 1/3. So it means up and right. So I'm going to go up 1, right 3. Now I can get some more dots on here. So the opposite of up and right is down and left. Down and left. That one goes off, but at least it gives me a few more points to get this a little more accurate. It's okay if your line goes off your graph. You want to be as accurate as you can and make sure with that first one you make it as long as the graph allows you. You don't want to have to go back and redo it again. All right, so number 4 in the second one, this y-intercept is a -2. And our slope here is, remember this number in front of x is a -1, and we can put a 1 underneath it. So this means down 1, right 1. Down and right. Well, if I keep going down and right, I'm not going towards my blue line. So I want to be able to go the opposite way, which would be up and left. So if I go up and left, up and left, up and left, and there we go. We finally meet that blue line. And that ordered pair where they're meeting is at -3, +1. So your blue and green lines are meeting at the point -3, 1. All right, hope this helps and clears up any questions you had with graphing.